I'm Boston, I'm here with Xemelgo, and I'm going to be showcasing our inventory management application. What I have here is a Zebra handheld reader, and on this device we have our live Xemelgo app via iOS or Android, and we're going to be taking a quick audit of an inventory. We're able to look within a stockroom and notice that there are 20 items that I'm looking to capture within this facility. Utilizing the technology of RFID, I'm just quickly going to hit the trigger here and capture all 20 items just in that one instance.
Hey everyone, Garrett from Xemelgo, here to cover our management dashboard for managing work in process as it flows throughout your facility. What we have here, we're actually standing in the AWS booth at IMTS. We can go ahead and zoom in and see that we have our fabrication area, assembly, and then quality. We have here, this is actually an RFID label that we just printed off. So I'll give you a sneak peek here. It's a human readable information along with the barcode and QR code on the front. On the back, we have a tiny microchip and an antenna to capture RFID waves, activate that chip, and be able to automatically track this work order as it moves throughout your facility. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to click into this work order. It's this same one that we just printed off. We see that it's been in the fabrication area for about 2 minutes since we printed it. We're going to quickly move it over here. We have an RFID antenna representing our assembly area. On the other side, we have our reader, a fixed RFID reader to automatically capture that it is in quality. So if we come back up here, we can see, again, we just moved this from quality to assembly back to quality to capture that automated movement throughout your facility. And what teams are doing with this, we're able to automatically capture and alert your team if things are sitting too long, if maybe they've gone to the wrong area, so that your team can quickly go locate things and get things moving so that you're delivering on time, you're productive, and that your team is working on the right things.
I'm here with Xemelgo to showcase our search and find functionality. How we'll be going about that today is utilizing this handheld reader here. And on this particular reader, we have an asset that we're looking for. This particular item, we were able to set a different notification because it needs a calibration coming up soon. And we can have alerts actually sent to your phone or your account that allow you to best manage your assets. So now we'll go right into our search and find. We utilize a Geiger counter to understand signal strength so that we can walk exactly up to the particular unit.